Stop scrolling. These pharmacology questions are failing most Nclex candidates in 2026. If you think pharmacology is just about memorizing drugs, you're already at risk of failing. In this video, I'll walk you through high-level, trap-based Nclex pharmacology questions that test your ability to spot deadly drug interactions, identify life-threatening side effects, and choose the real priority action under pressure. These are not basic questions. These are the exact types designed to trick you on exam day. Watch till the end, because the last questions are the hardest, and missing them could cost you your license. Let's see if you can think like an Nclex nurse. Question 1. A client with a history of deep vein thrombosis is receiving. The nurse notes a new prescription for. Which action should the nurse take first? A. Administer both medications as prescribed. B. Hold the antibiotic and administer warfarin. C. Notify the provider immediately. D. Monitor INR in 72 hours. Correct answer, C. Notify the provider immediately. Rationale. Metronidazole inhibits warfarin metabolism, leading to rapid INR elevation and severe bleeding risk, e.g., intracranial hemorrhage. This is a high-risk interaction that requires immediate intervention, not delayed monitoring. Nclex strategy. Anytime you see warfarin plus new medication, think bleeding risk first. Do not pick answers that monitor later when harm can occur now. Priority equals prevent complication, not react to it. Question 2. A client on therapy presents with nausea, anorexia, and seeing yellow halos. Which additional finding would the nurse expect? A. Potassium level of 5.6 milliequivalent/L. B. Potassium level of 2.8 milliequivalent/L. C. Sodium level of 150 milliequivalent/L. D. Calcium level of 7.0 milligrams per deciliter. Correct answer, B. Potassium level of 2.8 milliequivalent/L. Rationale. Hypokalemia increases digoxin toxicity because potassium normally competes with digoxin at cardiac receptors. Low potassium more digoxin binding toxicity. Nclex strategy. Memorize this rule, low K equals digoxin toxicity. If digoxin appears in a question, always check potassium. Classic symptoms equals GI plus visual plus cardiac. Question 3, select all that apply. A nurse is providing discharge teaching to a client prescribed an anticoagulant medication. Which instructions should the nurse include? Select all that apply. A. Use a soft bristle toothbrush. B. Take aspirin for pain relief. C. Avoid activities that may cause injury. D. Apply firm pressure after injections. E. Massage the injection site. Correct answers, A, C, D. Rationale. Heparin increases bleeding risk. Soft toothbrush prevents gum bleeding. Avoid injury reduces trauma. Apply pressure prevents hematoma. NSAIDs increase bleeding. Massage causes bruising. Nclex strategy. For anticoagulants, think, what increases bleeding? Eliminate it. SATA tip, usually 3 correct answers, not all or 1. Question 4. A client receiving reports fatigue, dark urine, and right upper quadrant pain. What is the nurse's priority action? A. Reassure the client that this is expected. B. Administer the next dose with food. C. Hold the medication and notify the provider. D. Encourage increased fluid intake. Correct answer, C. Hold the medication and notify the provider. Rationale. These are classic signs of hepatotoxicity, a life-threatening adverse effect of isoniazid. Continuing the drug may lead to liver failure. Nclex strategy. Symptoms involving liver, RUQ pain, dark urine, fatigue, equals red flag. Priority equals stop the offending drug immediately. Never monitor when organ damage is suspected. Question 5. A client with type 2 diabetes taking is scheduled for a CT scan with 4 contrast. What is the nurse's best action? A. Administer metformin as scheduled. B. Hold metformin before and after the procedure. C. Increase fluid intake only. D. Substitute insulin temporarily. Correct answer, B. Hold metformin before and after the procedure. Rationale. Metformin plus contrast dye increases risk of lactic acidosis, a potentially fatal complication. The drug must be withheld before and for 48 hours after. Nclex strategy. Key trigger, contrast dye equals think kidney risk. Metformin plus kidney stress equals lactic acidosis. Always choose prevention over treatment. Question 6. A postoperative client receives. Which finding requires immediate intervention? A. Respiratory rate of 8 per minute. B. Blood pressure 138/86 mmHg. C. Pain level of 7 out of 10. D. Nausea. Correct answer, A. Respiratory rate of 8 per minute. Rationale. Morphine causes respiratory depression, which is life-threatening. A rate below 10 per minute is a medical emergency requiring intervention, e.g., naloxone. Nclex strategy. Always apply ABC, airway, breathing, circulation. Breathing problems override pain, nausea, and vitals. Priority questions equals what kills first. Question 7, SATA. A client is on long-term therapy. Which adverse effects should the nurse monitor? Select all that apply. A. Hyperglycemia. B. Increased infection risk. C. Osteoporosis. D. Hypotension. E. Weight gain. Correct answers, A, B, C, E. Rationale. Corticosteroids cause glucose, immunosuppression, bone loss, weight gain. Not hypotension, they cause fluid retention. Nclex strategy. Think steroids equals Cushing-like effects. Fat, glucose, infection, bones. If an option says opposite effect, eliminate. Question 8. A client taking presents with coarse tremors, confusion, and vomiting. What is the nurse's priority action? A. Administer the next dose. B. Encourage sodium restriction. C. Hold the medication and notify the provider. D. Reassure the client. Correct answer, C. Hold the medication and notify the provider. Rationale. These findings indicate lithium toxicity, which can progress to seizures and coma. Immediate action is required. Nclex strategy. Lithium questions equals check for toxicity signs first. Sodium balance affects lithium but toxicity equals stop drug immediately. Never continue a drug causing neurologic decline. Question 9. A client with hypertension is prescribed. Which finding requires immediate intervention? A. Persistent dry cough. B. Blood pressure of 100/64 mmHg. C. Swelling of the lips and face. D. Potassium level of 4.8 milliequivalent/L. Correct answer, C. Swelling of the lips and face. Rationale. This indicates angioedema, a life-threatening adverse effect of ACE inhibitors that can obstruct the airway. Immediate action is required. Nclex strategy. ACE inhibitors 2 key things. Dry cough equals expected. Angioedema equals emergency. Always choose airway threats first. Question 10. A client receiving furosemide develops muscle cramps and weakness. Which lab value supports the nurse's suspicion? A. Potassium 5.5 milliequivalent/L. B. Potassium 3.0 milliequivalent/L. C. Sodium 150 milliequivalent/L. D. Calcium 10.2 milligrams per deciliter. Correct answer, B. Potassium 3.0 milliequivalent/L. Rationale. Furosemide causes potassium loss, leading to hypokalemia, which results in muscle weakness and cramps. Nclex strategy. Loop diuretics equals lose K. Symptoms of low potassium. Weakness. Cramps. Arrhythmias. Always link drug electrolyte symptom. Question 11, SATA. A nurse is teaching a client about therapy. Which statements indicate correct understanding? Select all that apply. A. I will rotate injection sites. B. I should skip meals after taking insulin. C. I will carry a source of glucose. D. I should inject into the same spot daily. E. I will monitor my blood glucose regularly. Correct answers, A, C, E. Rationale. Rotate sites prevents lipodystrophy. Carry glucose treat hypoglycemia. Monitor sugar. Skipping meals causes hypoglycemia. Same site tissue damage. Nclex strategy. Insulin equals think hypoglycemia prevention. Any answer that increases hypoglycemia risk equals eliminate. Question 12. A client is prescribed for. During infusion, the client develops flushing and itching of the upper body. What is the nurse's best action? A. Stop the infusion immediately. B. Slow the infusion rate. C. Administer epinephrine. D. Continue the infusion. Correct answer, B. Slow the infusion rate. Rationale. This is red man syndrome, caused by rapid infusion, not a true allergy. Slowing the rate resolves symptoms. Nclex strategy. Differentiate. Allergy stop drug. Side effect adjust administration. Vancomycin equals classic slow it down question. Question 13. A client taking reports black tarry stools. What is the nurse's priority action? A. Reassure the client. B. Administer the next dose. C. Notify the provider immediately. D. Encourage iron intake. Correct answer, C. Notify the provider immediately. Rationale. Black tarry stools, melena, indicate GI bleeding, a serious complication of antiplatelet therapy. Nclex strategy. Anticoagulants/antiplatelets always think bleeding. Signs like black stools, hematuria, bruising equals immediate action. Question 14, SATA. A nurse is monitoring a client taking gentamicin. Which findings indicate toxicity? Select all that apply. A. Tinnitus. B. Hearing loss. C. Elevated creatinine. D. Increased urine output. E. Dizziness. Correct answers, A, B, C, E. Rationale. Gentamicin causes ototoxicity, tinnitus, hearing loss, dizziness. Nephrotoxicity, creatinine. Not increased urine output. Nclex strategy. Aminoglycosides equals ears plus kidneys. If you see ringing ears, balance issues. Think toxicity immediately. Question 15. A client who is prescribed a beta blocker has a heart rate of 52 bpm. What is the nurse's best action? A. Administer the medication. B. Hold the medication and notify the provider. C. Recheck in 1 hour. D. Give with food. Correct answer, B. Hold the medication and notify the provider. Rationale. Beta blockers decrease heart rate. A rate below 60 bpm indicates bradycardia, requiring the medication to be held. Nclex strategy. Beta blockers equals check. HR less than 60 hold. Always assess vitals before giving cardiac meds. If you got most of these right, you're on track to pass the Nclex. But if you struggled, that's exactly why you need more practice like this. Pharmacology is not about cramming, it's about thinking critically under pressure. Drop your score in the comments, I want to know how you did. And if you want more brutal Nclex questions, exam traps, and high-yield strategies, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because the next video might cover the exact question you'll see on your exam. Let's get you that RN license.